Violet Delights is a collection from Hunkydory, and it is just lovely. Now, this is the luxury card topper collection. This is going to have everything to make your cards, but then there's more. So let me just show you. This, it says right here it will make at least 16 cards, but you know, I think you may be able to do better than that. Now, as always, there will be an idea sheet to just jumpstart your creativity, get you lots of ideas. And then on the back, well, I guess on this one there isn't anything. So let me show you what's included. Now, you will get a total of 94 foil die cuts. Now, you get 2 of every single thing I'm showing you. So called Violet Delights. You know you're going to see lots of flowers and there. And then with each of those sheets, you're going to have a foiled cardstock, and you're going to have a printed cardstock, just like that. Oh, so pretty. Here we have some flowers. We've got a teacup. Looks like we've got some cupcakes. We've got birthday treats just for you, miss you, let's celebrate, you're just my cup of tea. And then here is the foiled cardstock. Everything is an A4 measurement. There is the printed. Here we have a sewing machine, very vintage looking, and of course a vintage typewriter. I guess there's only vintage typewriters, isn't there? This has a silver foiling, as you can tell, borders as well. And then we have, isn't that pretty with those butterflies all foiled? And then the printed one that coordinates. And then this is the last. And again, you have handcrafted just for you, have the best day, you're just my type. And then the foiled, I love it when it's like that, so, so pretty. And then we have the printed. So again, you get 2 of each, and this begins our journey into Violet Delights, but there's so much more. And let me show you. This is the 6x6 paper pad. Now there are 12 designs, but you're gonna get 4 of each one. They are single-sided. Oh, I lied, they're double-sided. Well, that's an extra treat. And let me just go through the sheets that you will see. That's very sweet. Those are the cupcake and background, butterflies. Again, the artwork is going to support what you saw in the topper collection. And nice to get that double-sided. You get a few more, some little bumblebees in there with the baby's breath. And violets all over. And the typewriter, and the sewing machine, and butterflies. Okay, very nice. As I said, these are single-sided, and you get a total of 48 sheets in this collection. But I'm not done. We also have the inserts. Now, the inserts are ghosted back images of what we've just seen. In this collection, there are 36 sheets. There are going to be 12 designs, and you're going to get 3 of each one. So let me just walk you through them. Here's the first. These are also single-sided. When you see something like this, and by the title insert, you can elect to use this inside your card. Some of the artwork will fit exactly right in that shape, or you can elect to use this on the front of your card. You've got lots of choices. And because you're getting 3 sheets of each, you can elect to do both if you like. And again, the muted background just works really, really nicely, both for the inside of your card or a tag, or a mini album, just lots of choices. And there we go. Cupcakes are reappearing, and our teacup. So Violet Delights, these are the inserts. Again, they are all an A4 size, so that works nicely. We also have foiled acetate. Now this is just really special because Hunkydory is the only one that I know of who does this. This has 16 sheets. You're going to get 4 designs, and you're going to get 4 of each one. And isn't that pretty? They've have this on the silver foiling, and it is silver on both sides. Sometimes when they have gold, it's silver on the back side, but this is silver on both. So you've got this very rich border treatment. We have an all-over dot treatment, which is always useful. You can see that. Yes. And then we also have another border treatment with those swirls. Now, this is called Violet Delights, as I said, but boy, I really think that this is quite timeless. You can use this in lots of different things. So again, that is 16 sheets. They are an A4 size, and they're going to work beautifully. Now, to coordinate with all of this, we have the adorable scorable. That is Hunkydory's Cardstock. Now, this has 30 sheets, and you're going to get 10 colors. They are printed over white, so there's white on the back of them, all of them. And I just wanted to show you all the colors that you're going to get. So hopefully I have pulled all of those out. And just a beautiful assortment. Very useful not only with this collection, but I really have a feeling you can use it other places as well. Now, there is one more thing, and that is a card kit. Now, this is, Hunkydory calls these concept card collections. This is the Violet Delights, and everything in here will make 8 different cards. It will make a total of 8 cards, 4 designs. You get 2 of each. Now, the finished one is going to look like this. And that front becomes a box, and it opens up to a piece inside. Now, I haven't added all of the elements, so I can foam tape that on. I could have added something into the front. There's lots and lots of choices to it, but out of each piece you can kind of see right here that this is going to become this card. This is the whole piece, and then these become the embellishments. So you can do some layering, you can do some all kinds of things. In addition to the 8 cards, you have boxes that you simply fold up and glue together, and then they can be used to send your very pretty box cards. So that's really nice. So many things in this Violet Delights. We've got our concept card, we have our cardstock, we have our foiled acetate, our inserts, our topper collection, and the 6x6 paper pad. It is a beautiful Violet frenzy.